Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk. Let's get wrenching.
Let's consider the main technical characteristics of ZMZ 410, name characteristics brand 24 D-type carburetor configuration inline 4-fuel gasoline. With the possibility of installing HBO volume 2.5 liters, 2,445 centimeters cube, power 95 HP. Cylinder diameter 92 mm power carburetor K126G cooling liquid block and head design material. Aluminum resource 300,000 km cylinder order 1-2-4-3 modifications. The engine ZMZ 410 had a sufficient number of modifications, which were installed on UAZ vehicles. Let's consider the modifications of ZMZ 410 engine. Engine designation by CDVDS descriptive part of the marking characteristic features of completeness and performance of the engine applicability on the vehicle kits with carburetor K151C, cylinder head 4021. 103.00761 cylinder block cast in a coquille, for UAZ vehicles 4104.1000400 basic complete set in a single version with a water pump. Under the fan drive clutch UAZ vehicles of the old truck range with weight up to 3,500 kilograms, -€0, 41047. 1000400. The same for tropical UAZ vehicles with weight up to 3,500 kilograms, -€0. 1000400. Same. Tropical version 4104.1000400-0141040B complete set with water pump under the fan drive coupling, with a bracket for the hydraulic system 4104704000-0141047B. Same. Tropical version 4104. 1000400-1041040A complete with water pump for fan drive clutch, with sensors for new instrument panel, with bracket for hydraulic power. Unit 4104704000-1041047A. Same in tropical version 4104.1000400-114. 1040C complete with water pump for fan drive clutch, with sensors for new instrument panel 4104704000-1141047C. Same. Tropical version 4104.1000400-0241040F basic complete set in single version with fan spacer 4104704000-0241047F. Same in tropical version 4104.1000400-0341040L complete set with fan spacer, air cooler bracket 4104.1000400-0341047L. Same. Tropical version 4104.1000400-40411040G complete set with sensors for new instrument panel, hydraulic power steering bracket 41,047.1000400-40411047G. Same. Tropical version 4104.1000400-41. 4140 set with sensors for new instrument panel 41,047.1000400-41411047. Same. Tropical version maintenance. In conclusion, the ZMZ 410 engine stands out for its robust technical characteristics and versatility across various applications. Understanding its variants allows for better adaptation to specific needs, while knowledge of basic repair principles, including overhaul techniques, ensures longevity and optimal performance. Proper maintenance is crucial, as it not only enhances the engine's efficiency but also extends its lifespan. By following these guidelines, you can keep the ZMZ 410 running smoothly for years to come. Thank you for watching, and we hope this information helps you in your journey with the ZMZ 410 engine.